Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Porsche Cayman. So from any screen, if you just want to see where you're going, if there's any bends coming in front of you, just click the map there. Otherwise, into Navi, click address. You've got town and postcode there. Click postcode's easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whately-Dale, Preston, PR. We now have to change over to numbers. So ABC and 1, 2, 3 is there. 5, PR5, 4, and then we need to put the street. So with Chorley Road, you get so far along and it defaults. It gives you a choice. If there was any more starting CHO, it would give you a list here, and then you just select them and click like so. And we're 277 or near 277. Well, that'll do. We've no number really. And then click Start Route Guidance. That's it.
Please make a U-turn if possible.